Hello friends. In this first class of course I will teach you how to create our own characters. Cartoon characters are of many types such as modern anime, classic manga, 2D characters, 3D characters, and many more. But in our first video also I tell you that we are going to create 3D movie, so we need 3D characters only. So let's create characters. One problem is there. Before starting designing character we should know what is the name of our movie and who is the main character of the movie. So the name is Ronaldo, the one and only one. Beside Ronaldo we have to also create some side characters also. Let's create. We need two app to create character. These are Zapito, Dual app. These are free app and can support many types of version. So please we use some of your data and space and install these apps.